So hey everyone, so basically today I am going to solve uh, LeetCode problems 350, which is like intersections of two array. So for solving this problem, uh, what we can do first, for solving this problem, first of all we have to initialize two variable like int I is equal to 0, which basically starts from this position. And similarly, if I am going to start the second for this, so for that I can declare another variable int j is equal to 0. Keep this point in your mind that both the variables must be started with the like index 0, and then after that what we have to do, basically we need to traverse in both the arrays. Okay, and we need to check for the common elements which we have to take. So for that what we can do, we can take like a vector of like int type, and I'm declaring the vector name as answer here. And then after that what I can do, I can use like while loop, and I am saying here like if my while I is less than here, the first array is like nums1, so nums1 dot size. That means I need to traverse, that means I will be traverse through complete array of nums1, okay, until its size. And and that means logical, and we have to use, and I'm saying j is less than like nums2 of nums2 dot size. Okay, that means we have to traverse like in both the arrays nums1 and num2, and we have to traverse through complete. Okay, we have to traverse until its ending. Okay, so what I can do here, I need to check if nums1 of I, let's suppose if this element is less than this element, which is true here, as I can say 1 is like less than 2. If my nums1 is like nums1 of I is less than nums2 of j, what I can do, I need to simply continue from this position to this position, right? So I can simply return here like I plus plus. Okay, we don't have to take the that value, and I need to just simply move to the next value. Okay, then after that I can say here else if nums1 of I is like greater than nums2 of j, then what I can do basically here, let's say if I'm saying here if like if I'm saying example, if like my first elements of nums1 is, let's suppose, is greater than the second array element, then there we need to increment j plus plus. Okay, and that means we have to skip all those elements which I should not common. Okay, and at the last we can say that else if we have those elements which are common in both the arrays, we need to simply return, that means we have to simply take that value inside the vector. Okay, so I can say here I am declared my vector as answer, so answer dot push back. I need to push back my answer, and I need to store any value, either like nums1 or nums2. Okay, so I'm saying here nums1 of I. Okay, after having this value I can simply return my value. But before that, as I can say here, this is like nums1 and nums2, and these are like unsorted arrays. So first of all we have to sort it. Like I need to sort nums1 dot begin and nums1 dot end. Okay, after doing this thing we need to similarly to also do for second array, sorry, nums2 dot begin, and then nums2 dot end. Once we have sorted both this array, we need to, like we are traversing in both the array, then we are actually checking which of the elements are like equal or not equal. If they are like not equal, we need to simply continue. Okay, and if they are equal, we need to we need to take that value inside the answer vector answer. Okay, and after having this thing we can simply return our answer. So I can simply say that return answer. Let's run the code. Memory limit exceed. So I think I have done something mistake here, like int I is equal to 0, int j is equal to 0, sort nums1 dot begin, nums1 dot end, sort nums2 dot begin, nums2 dot end, vector int I int answer, while I is less than nums dot size, and j is nums2 dot size. If nums1 of I is less than num2 of j, then I plus plus, else if nums of I is greater than nums2 of j, j plus plus, else. Okay, so here we have to also increment my values also, I plus plus, after taking the value I plus plus and j plus plus. Okay, now let's run the code. So it's executed. Let's try to submit it. So yeah, it's submitted. So that's all for the today. Thanks for watching.